Hi guys, today I'm excited to show you Eureka's Camp Café Express group coffee system. Until now, if you wanted good coffee at camp, you were pretty much limited to single serving options like pour over, an AeroPress, or a messy French press. The Camp Café is a pour over system that brews enough coffee for the whole group quickly. So you get the bold, rich flavor of pour over and incredibly easy cleanup. So the whole thing nests together for easy transport and storage. And then when you unpack it, you get the boil kettle itself, you get the coffee carafe, pour over filter cone, and this little coffee scoop. The boil kettle is made of hard anodized aluminum, and it features flux ring technology like you see on your favorite jet boil cook systems. So you can get this thing up to brewing temperature twice as fast as a normal kettle. The carafe here is also made from aluminum, and it has a silicone base for protection and to prevent it from sliding around. It holds 12 cups of coffee so everyone can fill their mug on the first round. The Camp Café is super easy to use. While your water's getting up to a boil, go ahead and set the filter holder on top of the carafe. Pop in a number 4 filter and then use the included scoop to measure out your coffee grounds. Try to pour slowly enough to keep the water level consistent in the cone and keep pouring until you've got the amount of coffee you need in the carafe. Now, the other great thing about the Camp Café is how easily it cleans up. All you have to do is rinse it with water, toss the grounds and filter, and you're good to go. So there you have it, the Camp Café Express Group Coffee System. Not only can you make fresh pour-over coffee that's way better than instant, your whole group gets a cup quickly, so everyone is fueled and ready to go first thing.
The nCamp Café is about the size of a water bottle and makes espresso-style coffee just about anywhere. To make great coffee, remove the cup, unfold the handles, add water and coffee grounds, then heat the water to boiling. The nCamp Café is designed for use with the nCamp stove, but also works with other stoves. The Café is made of stainless steel. The cup and handles have a silicone wrap for grip and insulation. It makes about 12 ounces of great-tasting coffee.
Remove the included scoop and brush from the water tank. The brush can be used to clean your Nanopresso of any excess grounds that can build up over time. The water tank also has a cup attached to it. Next, unscrew the portafilter and remove the coffee filter basket. Add finely ground coffee into the scoop. Transfer the finely ground coffee from the scoop into the filter basket. Be sure to clean any grounds off the rim of the filter basket. The next step is to tamp the coffee using the bottom of the scoop as a tamper. There should be about 4 millimeters of space at the top of the filter basket after you tamp. To ensure proper grind size, use a scale to weigh 8 grams of coffee. Next, put the coffee filter basket into the Nanopresso and screw on the portafilter. Make sure the portafilter is screwed on tight. Next, add boiling water to the water tank. Fill the water up to the line marked on the inside of the water tank. Screw the water tank onto the Nanopresso. Unlock the piston by twisting it counterclockwise. Flip the Nanopresso upside down and start pumping with slow, consistent pumps to build up pressure inside the machine. It should take about 6 to 8 pumps to get up to pressure. After about 20 to 30 pumps, your espresso will be fully extracted. You will know the espresso is fully extracted once you no longer feel resistance in the piston. Once the espresso is fully extracted, the crema should be smooth and golden brown.
Who are we? We are the main characters of Cafflano Classic. Drip kettle with a specially designed spout to control water. A ceramic hand mill with a fold-away handle. A permanently etched stainless steel filter, and a double-walled tumbler. Make any time coffee time. It's good. The world's first all-in-one portable pour-over coffee maker, Cafflano Classic, with its easy-to-use and lightweight design.